Welcome to an exclusive tour of a stunning Pulte Homes model home nestled in a prestigious community in Riverside, California. This magnificent luxury home offers the perfect blend of elegance and comfort, featuring 5 spacious bedrooms, 4 luxurious bathrooms, and a 3-car tandem garage, all within a sprawling 3,301 square feet of living space. Step inside to experience an expansive open floor plan, complete with optional builder upgrades that elevate the home's appeal. Whether you're searching for your dream California home or just love exploring California luxury homes, join us as we showcase this breathtaking property. This Riverside home for sale offers a unique opportunity to enjoy California living at its finest. And this residence is no exception. Don't miss this chance to tour one of the best California houses for sale. At the center of social gatherings is the expansive great room, thoughtfully designed to enhance every hosting experience. A striking lighting fixture sets the tone, creating an inviting atmosphere that's perfect for both relaxation and entertainment. Seamlessly connected to the kitchen and dining area, this versatile space blends convenience with comfort, offering a warm and welcoming environment for residents and guests to enjoy together. If you'd like to stay updated with more content like this, please subscribe so you never miss out on any of my future videos. If you're considering selling your home in the Southern California area and would like me to represent you and be featured on this channel, I'd be honored to assist you. Please don't hesitate to reach out and let me know how I can support you in achieving your real estate goals. The backyard offers endless possibilities for leisure and enjoyment, inviting you to fully embrace the beauty of Southern California's gorgeous weather. Whether you're cultivating a garden, escaping into a good book, or soaking up the sun's warmth, this serene oasis creates the ideal backdrop for relaxation and rejuvenation. Indulge your culinary passions in this beautifully designed kitchen, where elegance meets functionality. Stunning countertops and a striking backsplash add a touch of sophistication, while high-end stainless steel appliances including an oven, microwave, cooktop stove, and dishwasher ensures that every meal is prepared with ease. The centerpiece of the kitchen is the versatile island, complete with a breakfast bar that's perfect for casual dining. Pendant lighting casts a warm glow over the space, and ample storage beneath ensures all your cooking essentials are within reach, blending style and practicality seamlessly. This single basin sink not only offers a charming view of the backyard, but also provides effortless access to the adjacent dishwasher for ultimate convenience. Adjacent to the kitchen, you'll discover additional storage with custom cabinets and a convenient countertop, offering even more space to keep your kitchen essentials neatly organized and easily accessible. This added feature seamlessly extends the kitchen's functionality and efficiency. The kitchen features a generous walk-in pantry, providing abundant storage that is both practical and convenient. This thoughtful addition enhances the overall functionality of the space, making it a true culinary haven where organization meets ease. This home is equipped with heating and air conditioning systems, ensuring comfort and climate control throughout the year. This home offers a versatile workstation tailored to suit your needs. Whether you're working from home, studying, or organizing your favorite recipes, designed with both productivity and convenience in mind, this space adds functionality to your daily routine. The dining area is bathed in natural light from a large window, creating a bright and airy ambiance that elevates every meal into a delightful experience. Its thoughtful design ensures seamless flow between the kitchen and living areas, enhancing both convenience and the overall dining atmosphere. If you know someone who enjoys model house tours, don't hesitate to share this video with them. Additionally, if you're interested in exploring new homes similar to this one, please contact me so we can schedule a tour together. This home features a convenient coat closet, perfect for keeping your outerwear and accessories neatly organized. This home offers a stylish powder room, ideal for both guests and everyday use. Thoughtfully designed, it features a sleek sink, a mirror, a toilet, all complemented by a chic lighting fixture that adds a touch of elegance to the space. The home provides direct access to the 3-car tandem garage. However, the garage was locked and unable for viewing. As you move through the hallway, you'll come across a convenient coat and storage closet, offering ample space for organizing everyday essentials. If you'd like to stay updated with more content like this, please subscribe so you never miss out on any of my future videos. The downstairs suite, available as an alternative to the flex room, is a beautifully designed living space, featuring a large window that floods the room with natural light. Plush carpeting adds warmth and comfort, while a stylish lighting fixture enhances the ambiance. Complete with its own private bathroom, which includes a shower, toilet, mirror, cabinets, and a lighting fixture. This suite offers both privacy and luxury, making it a perfect retreat for its occupants. Experience the epitome of California living in this magnificent home. A place where elegance meets comfort, and every detail is crafted with your utmost satisfaction in mind. Isn't this home absolutely exquisite? Its impressive size is just the beginning of what it has to offer. There's so much more to discover. Let's continue our journey upstairs to explore the captivating features of this remarkable residence. The second bedroom is bathed in natural light from the front window, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. It features a stylish light fixture with a fan for added comfort, and the cozy carpeting provides a soft touch underfoot. The room also boasts a convenient walk-in closet, offering ample space for organizing clothing and accessories, complete with built-in shelving for efficient storage. This thoughtful design ensures that everything you need is easily accessible, making it a functional and comfortable retreat. What's your favorite room so far in this beautiful home? Please let me know in the comments below. In the hallway, you'll find a linen closet, perfect for storing towels, bedding, and other essentials, ensuring a neat and organized living space. The third bedroom features a window that invites abundant natural light, creating a bright and cheerful atmosphere. A stylish light fixture with a fan, complemented by recessed lighting, enhances the room's appeal. Carpeted for added warmth and comfort, this space also includes a walk-in closet, providing convenient storage options and ensuring that all your belongings are neatly organized and easily accessible. If you're enjoying the video so far, we would greatly appreciate if you can give it a like. Your support means a lot to us and helps our channel grow. You'll find a guest bathroom featuring double sinks, cabinets, a mirror, and a door separating the toilet and the shower inside the bathtub, ensuring privacy and ease of use for occupants. This home incorporates green features, including dual-pane, energy-efficient low-E glass windows and patio doors, water-conserving plumbing fixtures, and recessed LED lighting, promoting energy efficiency and sustainability. The fourth bedroom is illuminated by plenty of natural light streaming through its windows, creating a bright and inviting atmosphere. Enhanced by a lighting fixture, the room offers a comfortable ambiance, complemented by plush carpeting. Additionally, it includes a spacious walk-in closet, providing generous storage space for clothing and personal belongings. The laundry room is designed for ultimate convenience, featuring washer and dryer hookups that streamline your laundering needs. Additionally, a linen closet offers the perfect solution for storing towels, bedding, and other essentials, ensuring your living space remains neat and organized. Equipped with ample shelving and a sink, this space provides abundant storage for all your supplies, helping to maintain a clutter-free environment and making laundry day a breeze. I hope you're enjoying this video so far. I'm curious, where are you watching from? Please leave a comment of your state in the comments below. Explore this expansive loft, adorned with windows, creating a bright and airy atmosphere. Enhanced by recessed lighting and a light fixture, this versatile area offers endless possibilities. Whether you seek a tranquil spot for relaxation, a focused space for studying, an entertaining game room, or a perfect venue for lively slumber parties. Discover tranquility in the exquisite primary suite, thoughtfully positioned a bit away from the other bedrooms for utmost convenience and privacy. Adorned with windows that flood the space with natural light, complemented by recessed lighting and a stylish fixture. This retreat exudes warmth and sophistication. Enhanced by plush carpeting underfoot and offering serene views of the backyard, the owner's suite promises a haven of comfort and relaxation. In the luxurious oasis of the ensuite primary bathroom, spaciousness and indulgence intertwine seamlessly. Luxuriate in the choice between a refreshing shower and a separate bathtub, ensuring a personalized bathing experience tailored to your preferences. Additionally, the ensuite bathroom boasts recessed lighting, providing a serene ambiance that complements its beauty. With the inclusion of cabinets and dual sinks, functionality meets elegance in this thoughtfully designed space. The ensuite primary bathroom offers the convenience of a private water closet, complete with a toilet for added privacy. Boasting ample room to move and unwind, this sanctuary features a generously sized walk-in closet, offering abundant space to accommodate both winter and summer wardrobes with ease. If you're thinking of selling your home in the Southern California region and would like to be featured on this channel, please let me know. And if you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe and click the bell to be notified so you don't miss a thing. Located in a prestigious community, this residence epitomizes luxury living at its finest. With its unparalleled craftsmanship, modern amenities, and prime location, this home is more than just a dwelling, it's a testament to refined living. In addition, the community is governed by a homeowners association, ensuring well-maintained amenities and shared spaces. Conveniently located near shopping centers and major freeways, residents enjoy easy access to everyday essentials and transportation routes. Wasn't this home lovely? If you love this home, you will definitely enjoy these two as well. And if you're in the Southern California area and want to sell your house or buy your next home, please call me, Susie Valentine, 951-907-4020. Please consider also subscribing, and I'll see you in the next 2 videos.